Sometimes people only have a bag of film. That's what you have to work with. And sometimes that's really exciting because you have no idea why did somebody throw all this film in a bag. My father did a good share of that on his collection, and I always felt like there was going to be some jewel in there. On the you just started splicing it all together, and it's a film are.
Mm-hmm.
And no doubt there are always some gems that you find there's something in there that becomes incredibly important that you
Mm-hmm.
had no idea until you just started splicing it all together. And